Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Etsy tags. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now, the first thing we need to do is to connect an application with our Etsy store. In this app or this tool could be Everbee. So basically we can simply go to the shop manager and from here we need to go to the apps menu. So let's go again, shop manager, and from here we will need just to go to the apps menu. By clicking on apps, we will be able to find everything. If you cannot find it here, you will need just to go down until you find Everbee here. So now after clicking on Everbee, we will be able to click on Learn More so we can access the website of Everbee. So from here, you will be able to use or to have some keyword research and these keywords, you can add them as tags. And basically, you can click on sign in and here log in with Etsy. And after that, we will be needing to go to the keyword research. So basically, the first thing you see is your shop analytics. And basically, we are only interested in the keyword research. So let's suppose that you are using uh, you are selling a t-shirt or hats or whatever. And basically you will need just to type shirts for example, and from here it will give you a variety of keywords that are using shirts for example. So here you have a sweatshirting. So this one is a low volume but with a low also competition, and basically would like to start using some keyword with higher score but also with less competition and with higher volume. So the lesser competition and the higher the volume, the better it is. And basically also you will want to have some keyword score that is high, and basically you can start like using them as tags. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.